A dog and a cat who were neighbors were fighting over a piece of meat. The dog had his jaws locked tightly around the bone. The cat had his claws sunk deep into the flesh. They heaved and they tugged, but the moment the dog thought he had it, the cat gave a sharp pull. The moment the cat thought he had it, the dog clamped his teeth down harder. Neither of them was winning. A monkey came along and stopped to watch. Soon he began to dance around them, calling out advice. "Go on, cat, use your claws, now the teeth. You've got him now, dog, grind those jaws. Don't growl, dog, it weakens your grip. Give it a shake, cat. That'll throw him off. Hang in there, dog." Dog and cat struggled harder, urged on by monkeys shouting. But slowly they began to grow tired. That was when Cat had an idea. Still hanging on with his claws, he called out to Monkey, "Say, Monkey, you seem clever. Any chance you could help us here?" "Couldn't you divide it up so we both have equal parts?" Monkey replied at once. "I'd love to. We'll just need some scales to make sure everything's fair." So Dog and Cat let go of the meat. The monkey began making scales from wood, leaves, and vines, till it was perfect. "All right," said Monkey, "let's give it a try." He tore the meat in half and placed a piece on each side of the scale. "Ah," said Monkey, peering closely. "You see one side is lower. That means it has just a teeny bit more. I'll tell you what," he continued. "I'll just nibble a little off that side to even it up." He took a bite and returned the pieces to the scale. Dog and Cat watched, impressed by his cleverness. "Oh, whoops!" Monkey exclaimed. "I must have chewed a little too much. Now the other side is heavier. No matter," he said quickly. "I'll just nibble an incy little piece off this side." Again he chewed and adjusted the pieces. Dog and Cat leaned forward, waiting for the balance to settle. But once more, the first side goes down again. Oh dear, Monkey sighed. "This isn't going quite as I planned. But we must get it right, or you two will be arguing about this for years and years." He took another bite, and another. Each time he promised they were nearly there, but now there wasn't much meat left. One piece was mostly bone. The other was only a thin strip of flesh. The monkey looked upset. "This isn't going right at all, is it?" he said. Then suddenly he stuffed the last piece of meat into his mouth, tossed the bone aside, and leapt up into a tree. Wiping his mouth, Monkey called down, "Say, friends, anytime you've got something to divide up, just bring it to me. I'll be glad to help you again." Dog and Cat stood below, looking up tired, hungry, and silent, and walked away realizing they had just been cheated, and only if they had just shared the meat in love, this would have been avoided. This story reminds us that when we fight each other, we often lose sight of what truly matters. While Dog and Cat struggled to win against one another, they failed to see they were both losing. Division created the perfect opportunity for someone else to walk away with everything. Unity, trust, and wisdom would have saved them far more than strength ever could. What lesson did you learn from this story? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if stories like this help you think deeper about life, subscribe for more powerful lessons told through stories.